Hello everyone. Today I wanted to show you the May Club Couture Transfer Enjoy the Journey, which I'm doing on a 10-inch round magnetic board that Chalk Couture offers. What I'm doing right now is just placing white chalk paste all over the silkscreen area. Our chalk paste is water soluble, which means it goes on wet and dries hard and can come off with water. Right in this moment, you'll see that I did make a slight little mess up, so I just used a Q-tip to go ahead and correct that. On the top where it says Enjoy the Journey, I'm going to go ahead and use Lilac chalk paste, and I will go ahead and spread that all over the silkscreen area as well. Our silkscreen transfers are one of a kind. They can be reused over and over and over again, so you can continue to make beautiful work. And when you're done utilizing your transfer, all you have to do is put it into a water bath, and then you'll clean it with a disinfectant wipe and let it dry, and then reattach to the carrier sheet. And as you noticed, I was showing you on the carrier sheet, you notate that it is the back, so that way you put it back on the correct way. Now I'm going ahead and I'm utilizing our Aquamarine chalk paste to go over the silkscreen layer of the bicycle. I do leave off the little basket because I plan to do that in a different color. Once I'm done, I scrape off all the excess and I pull the transfer off. Now you'll see I did go off the transfer, but it's not a big deal. I just use a little Q-tip and I get all that excess off. You'll have to dry it in between layers and make sure that the board itself is cool to the touch and back to room temperature before you go ahead and add on additional layers. Now I'm using the basket layer that also gives us 2 flowers with some lemon chalk paste, and I'm going to go ahead and create the little accessories such as the basket, the handlebars, and the seat with the lemon chalk paste. As you saw, all I did was take a heat tool. You can use a blow dryer, or if you have an embossing gun, you can go ahead and utilize that to dry each area in between doing your layers. So I'm continuing with the handlebars to do with lemon, and then I'm going to go ahead and do the seat in lemon. And that way I have a two-tone bike. It looks super cute and it's so fun for the summer. This is a perfect transfer for the summer and everybody will love it. With this transfer, you're also going to get multiple little flowers and stems that you can put inside your bike, so that way your bicycle can feel like it's got flowers and it's perfect for spring and summer. I thought this was super cute, and all I did was just utilize that Aquamarine chalk paste again to continue putting different leaves in, and then I'm going to come in and do some flowers, and I'm going to use the Lilac chalk paste to tie in the color from the Enjoy the Journey title to incorporate it inside the basket. I just made sure that I got all the excess off in between each spot, and then I went ahead and I continued to replace the transfer down. That way I can add some little flowers onto the bike as well. I thought it would be really adorable to try and tie that all in. Once I am done with that, I also go ahead, put it right in the water bath, and I will clean it when I'm all done doing the project. I also added some of the bigger flowers with the lemon chalk paste right next to both ends of the Enjoy the Journey. If you're interested in doing this project, please reach out to me. It's so much fun, and I love the fact that it is reusable over and over and over again. Make sure you stay tuned to see a picture of the completed project up close.